Char Kway Teow. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons peanut oil, 2 whole shallots, ½ teaspoon minced garlic, ½ teaspoon shrimp paste, 1/8 teaspoon sugar, ½ teaspoon chili paste, 100 grams, 3½ ounces, skinless pork belly, such as bacon, thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, or more as needed. 8 medium shrimp, shelled and deveined. 3 tablespoons chopped Chinese chives, or scallions, cut into 1-inch lengths. 4 ounces rice noodles. 1 cup mung bean sprouts. 2 large eggs. Heat the peanut oil in the wok or frying pan over medium heat. Saute the shallots, garlic, shrimp paste, sugar, and chili paste, if using, until fragrant. Turn up the heat and add the pork slices. Drizzle with a little soy sauce. Stir fry for a minute or just until the pork is no longer pink. Add the shrimps and chives. Continue stir frying for another minute. Throw in the rice noodles. Drizzle in more soy sauce. Stir fry until the noodles are heated through. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and eggs. Stir fry just until the eggs are set and the sprouts are slightly wilted. Serve at once.